Here's how you can bring live wallpapers back to life on your Apple Watch. So in case you didn't know, back then we were always able to have these amazing wallpapers come alive on our wrists. By simply just raising your wrist up, it'll play a cool live animation from a live photo, as well as GIFs. But not too long ago, Apple did remove this, but there's a clever way to re-enable it because it's actually not gone. You see, I've been getting a lot of comments lately, people asking me how they can still do this, if this is still possible, and thanks to user EN6FTFC1EL3C for commenting this, I decided it's time to make an update video on how you can actually do this because it is kind of confusing nowadays. So sorry for wasting your time with this intro. Just wanted to clarify that this is indeed the new update, how to do this. So in order for this to work, you need to make sure that your always on display is turned off. So you aren't required to go into your Apple Watch settings and go into display and brightness and just turn this off, because it doesn't work with always on display on your Apple Watch enabled. So if you have an older Apple Watch, like maybe an SE, a Series 4, or an older Apple Watch that doesn't have an always on display, you don't have to do anything in the settings. This also includes the Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Then what you need to do is, there's two methods. I'll show you how to create a GIF into a live animation as well. But take a picture of a live photo that you already have on your photo library on your iPhone, and then go ahead and tap edit, because you are going to need to go into the key point, because the GIF animations on the Apple Watch for the live wallpaper to work, it's really short. So you want to select it where the action is happening, or else nothing's going to be happening at all. So then once you select the key, now what I would recommend doing is cropping it into the square. This way it's lined up properly. Once you do that, select the up arrow icon right here to typically share a photo, and go down till you see create watch face. Click on here, and for this to work, you need to select photo watch face. If you use the portrait or the other one, it's not gonna work. It only works with the photo watch face. Select this, and now whenever you put your wrist down and bring it up, you will see a cool animation. Now let's say for example you want a GIF. Well, Giphy is the app that I recommend downloading. It's free, there's no subscription or anything like that, due to the fact that it has a built-in convert GIF into a live wallpaper, or photo I should say. By simply launching their app, select a GIF, enter the GIF type of image you like to search for. Well, as soon as you find it, tap the three dot icon up here, and you'll see convert to live photo. Now allow it to download and save on your photo library. Launch your photo library, repeat the same process. Make sure again it's on the motion on the keynote for the key section, or else it's not going to show. And then boom, you are all set. Now you have a live wallpaper animation on your Apple Watch. It does suck, unfortunately it does not allow always on display to be on in order for this to work. So yes, Apple did remove this feature without telling us, but by turning off always on display, you still have this ability. Again, I just wish Apple would updated this, because apparently there was a lot of people that were confused. There was a lot of comments of people saying this doesn't work anymore. It does, you just have to do this next extra step. And then if you want to have a stack of multiple different random watch faces like I showed you earlier, I was able to do. The process is similar to this, it's just a little bit tedious. As you can see, I can simply just tap and shuffle through random GIF animations. I guess that one only has 2. There we go, now it's working. So if you like to unlock this shuffle ability, same process, you need to create these GIFs, but then what you want to go ahead and do is just select them. So select the GIFs that you want, like this. Once you already edit them and done the keynote and such, and then tap the up arrow and go into create watch face. And then once more, make sure you select this bottom option, the create watch face. You could also customize it too if you want to add a filter. You're free to do this. You're also able to reselect the 4 photos. If you want to remove one, you just select and hit delete, but we're not going to do that. And of course, you still have the ability to lower or raise the time, so the picture isn't being blocked by the clock. And you can add some complications as well, like today's date and other complications are available, or you can have them both off. And once you're satisfied, tap add, give it a couple of seconds, and then it should be loaded in my watch now. So if I raise my wrist, boom, we have those animations going on again. Again, some of them, they need to be readjusted, like this one. Oh, there you go, now it's working. I guess it's still loading in process. But that's how you can actually like add multiple random ones to be shuffling. Unfortunately, Apple did make it difficult because back then I was always able to do it on the Apple Watch app, but I guess they don't let you do it here anymore. I can only add one photo at a time, but that's how you can add multiple ones to your watch face. But this is the latest updated version for 2024. I'll keep you guys in the loop if they do anything for upcoming watchOS 11. Hopefully they don't remove this. Hopefully they revamped it. Maybe somebody, I know some of you guys are developers on Apple, because I've seen some changes and suggestions I've done in the past get added on the next watchOS update, like the previously swipe ability that was secretly removed is now back. So thank you to the individual developer who pitched this back to Apple on fixing this and to make it into a setting. I appreciate this. But if that's you, add enable live wallpapers to work with always on display enabled. I think that'll be really good. Anyways, links to the apps as well as the band that I'm using on my Apple Watch Ultra will be linked in the description down below. I know all you guys ask what kind of band this is. It's one from Spigen. But to make this video short, that's going to be it for this video. If you'd like to watch more, highly recommend checking out this video over here where I go through my favorite settings to definitely turn off to allow you to maximize your battery on your Apple Watch. I go into details on that and so much more. So thank you so much for watching.